Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your WordPress website mobile-friendly. First, select a responsive theme designed to adjust automatically to different screen dimensions. This is crucial for providing a consistent and enjoyable experience for all your visitors, whether they are on a phone or a tablet. A good theme handles much of the heavy lifting, ensuring your content looks great without extra effort. Next, consider using plugins to enhance mobile performance. A caching plugin can significantly speed up your site by storing frequently accessed data. Also, optimize all your images. Large files slow down page loading, especially on mobile networks. Many themes offer specific mobile settings, allowing you to fine-tune elements like navigation menus and font sizes for smaller screens. When creating content, keep mobile users in mind. Use clear, concise paragraphs and ensure your font sizes are large enough to read comfortably on a small screen, ideally 16 pixels or more. Make sure interactive elements, like buttons and links, have enough space around them for easy tapping. Also, be mindful of intrusive pop-ups that can frustrate mobile visitors and lead to higher bounce rates. Finally, rigorous testing is key. Use various mobile devices and screen sizes to check your site's responsiveness. Google's mobile-friendly test tool provides valuable insights and suggestions for improvement. Remember, a smooth mobile experience keeps visitors engaged and improves your search engine ranking. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.